So welcome back to my channel GEG Agra or the Techie Krish, as I am uh, a Google certified trainer and innovator as well, and in addition I am a GEG leader Agra. So on that channel I welcome you. So for last couple of months we have been discussing uh, Google Sheets functions, basic to advanced. And in the same context, I am going to discuss the difference between query and filter. So without wasting much time, we move to our Google Sheet, then I'll discuss. So here we are. This is my Google Sheet, and I'm going to discuss the difference between query and filter function. In my last video, I also discussed the same filter and query functions, difference between filter and query functions. What I told you that while using the filter function, if you want to filter out the data from the sheet, you will have to include all the columns coming under the range. You cannot leave any column left. You cannot leave. So you have to take out all the columns or include all the columns of the range. Whereas query function allows you to select various columns with the gap, whatever you want, or selected columns you want, you can take in query. But there is a plus point with the filter function that it takes out the complete range. It does not leave any column. Whereas the opposite of this filter, the query function allows you to take the columns, non-adjacent columns. So first I'll tell you how to and moreover, if I am going to use filter function and present the sheet in a sorted order, I'll have to use sort function. With the sort function, I'll be able to arrange the data of the sheet filtered by filter function, whereas query function allows you to use order by clause to sort the data either in ascending or descending order. So this is again query advantage. So how to do it? I'm going to show you how to filter out the data and sort the data using filter function, and I'll show you the query function and how to present the data in order, sorted order. Okay, so let's start. So I am on this column, this cell. First I'll type equal sign, and after that I'll have to type filter, and from here I'll have to select the range. For the range I'll have to go to the sheet. So this time I'm going to take this sheet, taking the data from this sheet, taking the data from this sheet, and I'm including only this much, or I can include data from here. But I do not want to take out the data from contact number and category. But I'm helpless. I'll have to take or include all the columns. So I'm excluding those columns and taking the data from this range. One array also needed. So put the base and put the base here also. So my range is selected and comma, and I want to filter out the data or the records of those students who belong to PCMCS stream. Okay, so I'm going to select this range. So this range is selected, and it should be equal to PCM CS. And one thing you should note that while using the query, I mean string, because I'm going to apply the condition. So while writing PCM CS, because this is a word, so it should be enclosed in double quotes. And so here it is, my query is completed, and then one condition is enough. So I'll say okay and press the enter key. So see here, this is just because of Control Alt. So I'm going to change by format number automatic. Okay, so here this is the data I have taken from that sheet. And one thing, the flaw which you want to know about, that filter does not copy the header. I wanted the header, but it did not print it here. Correct. So I'll have to give the header also. This is the drawback of filter function. And if I want to sort it, I'll have to apply sort function here. So equal sort, my range is this, comma, sort column, which column I want to, on which column I want to sort the sheet. So my column is 1. On column number 1, I want to sort. And for ascending, let me see what for descending. So I must give 0. Or should I sort on column number 2? So let's see what happens. Enter. So see here, the entire sheet is arranged in sorted order, but in descending order of the name or second column. Correct. And if you want to sort it in ascending order of column 2, you will have to give 1 here. So this is sorted in ascending order of column B. So this is how filter works. Now we are going to discuss work on the query function. Okay. So again, type equal sign and then type query, then select the range, braces, starting brace, and then from the source of the sheet. So I am going to take the data from here, including the header row, close the brace, and then it's time to apply query function. So I'm going to use select and wanted to take column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and column 7, where col 7 is equal to, but here, since we have given the query in double quotes, or we are treating it as the string. So if I want to put the condition, and the condition includes a string or the character, I should use single quotes. So over here I am using the single quotes. Okay, and it's enough. So my query is and since my query is having the header, so I'll close this here and will give 1 here because I have the header of 1 line, and simply press enter. So it will give the data of this PCMCS data, and see here the header. Okay, now if I want to sort this, so this time I'll take I'm not going to, oh okay, no issue, I'm going to take the data in ascending or descending order. So order by column 2, descending, and see here, press enter key. See, the data is in descending order of the name. Hope this is clear. And again, query function allows you to group the data. Suppose if I want to count how many students are from PCMCS, how many students are from PCB Bio, how many students are from PCMB, so from different streams, I can group those data. So what change should I make in this query? I am going to make changes column 7, comma count, column 7 where is not required, group by column 7, and okay, my query is done, and press enter. So see here, so PCBIP students 8, PCMCS students 31, and PCMB student is 1 only. So this way query function works, and that way filter function works. So I hope you are able to differentiate between these two functions, filter and query. So I think query function is much more important uh, in data analysis, but filter is equally important if you want to include the complete range or multiple columns. So there is a difference, and all the functions are different, and every function has its own significance. So hope you like this video, and if you like, then kindly share and subscribe and share with your friends so that they should know the depth of filter and query functions. So we meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.